Unleash your inner storyteller and craft captivating animal adventures with the magic of AI, all guided by your friendly Nano Banana. First, let's brainstorm your story. Head to your favorite AI text generator, and with a simple prompt like write a short, funny story about a squirrel who tries to hoard all the acorns in the park. You'll have a fantastic script ready in moments. Think about the tone. Is it silly, heartwarming, or a little bit mysterious? The AI can adapt to your vision. Once you have your script, it's time to bring your characters to life. We'll use an AI animation tool that makes this super easy. Simply describe your animal character, for example, a fluffy brown bear with a mischievous grin, and the AI will generate a unique animated model for you. You can even adjust their expressions and movements to match your story's emotions. Now, let's build your world. Imagine the perfect setting for your animal friends. Is it a lush forest, a bustling savanna, or perhaps an underwater wonderland? Use your AI's scene design capabilities to create vibrant backgrounds. You can describe elements like tall green trees with dappled sunlight, or rolling hills under a bright blue sky, and the AI will generate these visual backdrops. With your characters animated and your scenes designed, it's time for the magic of putting it all together. Upload your AI-generated character animations and place them within your chosen AI-generated scenes. Adjust their positions, size, and timing to create dynamic interactions and tell your story visually. Finally, add some personality. Sync your character's animations with the dialogue or narration from your AI-generated script. Many AI tools offer simple lip-syncing features, making your animal characters truly speak their minds. And there you have it, Ai Nano, a complete animal story video, crafted with the power of AI and the guidance of Nano Banana, requiring minimal effort but maximizing your creative potential. Happy storytelling!